the order, basically what we have said is mentioning the two circulars that already have been issued. The order is as follows. Whereas the government-wide circular and corrigendum mentioned in the preamble above issued certain directions for compliance by fish traders as mandated under the food safety and standard regulation, and whereas the transport and police department are directed to allow only those vehicles which were complying with the condition mentioned therein. And whereas it has been brought to the knowledge of the government that fish from outside the state of Goa are being brought into the state of Goa into small boxes through public transport vehicles, thereby violating the conditions mentioned therein. Now, therefore, the government hereby imposes the ban on import of fish into the state of Goa with immediate effect. But, however, this ban shall not apply to those people carrying out fish business, traders, transportation, in any manner dealing with a fish who has complied with the Food Safety and Standards Act and rules and regulations, and taking necessary licenses and all rules and regulations and permissions as the case may be under the Food Safety and Standards Acts. Only those people who have taken the permission under the Food Safety Act and the Rules and Regulation Act of the FDA shall be allowed to carry out fish business in the state of Goa. I would also like to make a clarification on the point. I was the one who actually discussed the issue with Mr. Babu Asgaonkar, that in case there are some tourism establishments who are complying and who come forward to comply with the rules and regulation, then we will give them permission and exempt them from the ban. So, but one thing is certain, that the ban is in force, and if the tourism establishment and tourism industry and various hotels or establishments, or but they have to comply, and our checks will continue. Our total checks are in place, we will continue. Parallelly, we will be setting up, we are in the process on a fast track to set up the export inspection agency to get it in place, and the quality inspection council. This will go on parallelly.